Hi families, my name is Holly Compton. I'm the district math coach for Manhattan Beach, and today we're going to look at a story problem that's called Separate Start Unknown. Now this might look a little bit familiar to you because we've been practicing this now for a little while, and the reason that we're still working on this story problem type is because it's difficult. If you have been hearing, I don't get this, or I don't really understand, or I'm getting the answer wrong, that's kind of to be expected because we're pushing their thinking right about now. So we are going to check out the story with raincoats. So Madison bought some raincoats. Then she gave away, in this case, 9 raincoats. Now she only has 2 raincoats left. How many raincoats did Madison buy? All right, so I'm expecting a lot of kids to say the answer is 7 because they might just do 9 minus 2 is 7. So that would be a really common error that I would expect to hear. And then if your child does say that the answer would be 7, in this case, I would say something like, well, could she have only purchased 7 raincoats and then given away 9 of them? And then still has 2. So draw them back into the story and ask them if it makes sense if they do say something like the answer 7 or similar, like subtracting these numbers in the other sets. All right, so we're going to check out some strategies. Tools are hugely important. They don't have to be fancy schmancy. They can be whatever you have around the house, but it's really important to have tools. All right, so Madison bought some raincoats. So we don't know how many raincoats she bought. This missing number is in the front, so the start is unknown. We're going to be separating them. Separating it is the action of subtraction. So we know that she's going to give away 9 and she's left with 2. So some of the things I like to ask the kids is, will this number be more than 9 or less than 9? Will it be more than 2 or less than 2? And then I like to act it out. So we know that Madison, right? Yeah, Madison is going to end up giving away 9. So this is 9 right here. It was 10 and I took off 1. Always start with the 10 with your kids. And then she's going to be left with 2 at the end. So I'm not putting these together right now. I'm showing them separately. So that's actually a way that you can have them visualize this. So they're going to give away 9 and be left with 2. What would the starting number be? So it's interesting because in this case, right, we have to join them together to get the answer. So the answer would be 11, right? So maybe they might look at it like this now, put them together, and it's 9, 10, 11. And then, of course, we want to make sure that we check it. 11 minus 9 does, in fact, leave us with 2. So 11 minus the 9. So always model it with the tools after that. 11 minus 9, take them off, leaves us with 2. And they can actually check their work and really see that they're getting it right. Now, if they're doing these larger number sets, they're probably not going to model one by one, but they might, like if you have 34, they might be using like drawings like this, 34. Just make sure that they really understand what this story is asking, right? And watch out for those quick errors, like saying 7 could be the answer or something smaller. So our starting number has to be greater. All right, families, I'll see you next time. Bye.